If you would like to get your XRP address in Binance, here's how to do it. So when you open your Binance account, you can see here on the dashboard, you're going to go to the left sidebar where you have dashboard, assets and others. So you're going to click on assets with the drop down menu and you're going to click on spot. And with the spot showing, you're going to look for XRP. So here we have XRP. We're going to go to the extreme right where we have the three dots and we're going to look for deposit. So we're going to click on it and we have XRP coin. We're going to select the network, still XRP, or any other one you would like to, but we're choosing XRP. And then now it says no repo deposit address, and that's because we haven't created an address yet. So we're going to click on get address. And here we have both the address and memo, which are required for transactions. So remember to copy the address and the memo. Of course, there is the QR code for both the address and the memo, or you can click on copy address and this accurately copies the address and you can paste it anywhere you want, including the memo. These two are required for transactions. So this is how to get your XRP address in Binance.